In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the different components of the course. When you first log into the course, you're going to land in this page that you're looking at right now. This page is not a part of my stat lab, but I created this page, as you notice, in a table format, and I put some direct links to the different course components to make it easier for you to find stuff in this course online. As you notice, you will be beginning with chapter 1, and I put a link right here to chapter 1. So if you click on it, this is going to take you to chapter 1 material, and this is where you should be starting during the first week of classes. You notice course information, there's a link to it, the grade book, my course announcements, where I put course announcements almost on a daily basis. So you can, if you click here, it will take you to the course announcements page. Your quizzes, at the end of each chapter you would have to take a quiz, and the quizzes, there is a link to them. Tables and formulas that you might need later. A study guide for the first test, you know, it's already there. I usually provide a study guide before the test to help you prepare for the test. The interactive e-text. We will not be using a traditional textbook. It's going to be an interactive e-text, so you're going to be, the learning is going to take place online, and you'll be taking notes in what we call a guided notebook. So this is how the course is going to run. The course is going to have tons and tons of videos. Some are created by the instructors, and some are created by me, and the most of the videos are created by the author of the course himself. I'm just going to show you here. If you just go, for example, to chapter 6, and you just want to see how many videos are there, let me just show you here. Find now, and let me show you what we have here under chapter 6. Watch, this is all videos. So this course is media driven. It's mainly videos and animation and less text. You're going to notice that there is not much text, it's mostly videos. So if you can learn well through visuals, I think this course is going to be for you. And I'm pretty sure most people would like, you know, just visuals when it comes to learning. So this is how I'm going to be communicating with you as well, mainly through videos, animation, animated text, etc. Course information. I would like you on the first day of classes to click on this link and check out the syllabus, and try to print out a copy of the syllabus and keep it handy. It's very important that you know how the course is going to run and how you're going to be graded in this course. This is my contact information. This is a link to the due dates. So each chapter has a due date when it should be completed. When is the first test? When is the first project? When is the first quiz, etc. It's all under course due dates, and it's also built in the course. The next video right here, it's an introduction to the course. It shows you how you study, and I gave you an example on how you study starting with chapter 1. So make sure to play this video. It's not a very long video. I believe it's less than 10 minutes. So make sure to play these videos in order to know how you're gonna start and how you're gonna proceed in this course. The next video here, it's navigating my stat lab online. This is what I'm doing right now. There's also a link to a graphing calculator. We will heavily use the calculator, so it will not be possible to pass this class without using the TI-84 calculator. You can use any calculator you want, but I will be supporting the TI-84 or TI-84 color screen CE calculator in this course. It will be a critical part of this course. StatCrunch project, we will have a project toward the end of the semester using a built-in software in this course. It's called StatCrunch, so you don't have to install or buy any software. It's all built in this course. The next video right here that I like you to play, I will provide my own lessons, and some of them are called live scribe lessons, for which I use a digital pen to create those lessons. Now, in order to play, you know, those videos, there are steps that you have to do in order to be able to play them. So watch this video to help you out and show you how to play those videos. Okay, so let me show you what's next. The next course component here, it's called announcements and calendar. The calendar will show you what's going to be due next. You can see right here what to work on next, and these are my announcements. So I already put in some announcement for the first day of classes. If you click on more, it's going to display the announcements. Now this is where learning takes place, and this is actually the button that you will be using most of the time. Start your interactive assignments. First of all, I would like you tomorrow to introduce yourself by just state your name and your major and why you are taking this course online, just to give me an idea and give other students an idea where you come from and why you are taking this course online. So maybe it would help me to better assist you in this class. You will begin with chapter 1. It's about data collection. This is my video message for day 1, so make sure to play this one. And I'm going to scroll down a little here. And then, so play this message. These are the sections we'll be covering, the very short sections, and then just after that go to section 1.1. And here's what you're going to do in every single section in this textbook. You will read and interact. You will click on 1.1 interactive assignment. This is where the learning takes place, but at the same time you will be doing problems that will be graded, you know, on those problems. And after you're done with the interactive assignments, you can do the section homework. There will be prerequisites. Actually, I'm going to require that you score at least 70% on the interactive assignments in order to be able to do the homework. So if for some reason you try to do the homework before you complete this interactive assignment and you couldn't do it, you know the reason why, because you must score 70% and more the interactive assignment in order to do the homework. Why do I do that? Because this is where you're going to learn, you know, the course material. All the learning is going to happen under the interactive assignment. The same thing you're going to do under section 1.2, 1.3, and so on and so forth. You see a section 1.6 here, but that's omitted, you know, but I'm viewing, you know, just the instructor side here. That's why you see everything, but on your side you only see what you need to learn and what you need to do. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of chapters, but we will get them done, and you will do the same thing for each chapter. In the video that I put under course information, it will explain to you in more detail how you use the interactive assignment. At the end of each chapter, you will have to take a quiz. It's called the chapter quiz. And then you have to participate in a forum, a discussion board, where I post the questions and I expect you to post an answer or provide feedback, you know, on the questions that I put there. And it's all going to be graded. So in summary, for each chapter, this is what you have to do. You do the interactive assignment, you do the homework, you take the chapter quiz, you participate in the discussion board of this chapter, and you take notes on the guided notebook. If you bought the book from the bookstore, then it's your textbook bundle, you know, just came with a guided notebook for which you will be using a pen or a pencil to take notes. That's going to be a very important component of the course, and it will be graded. And I will tell you later how I will be grading this component. Let's just go back to the main menu. Okay, so guided notebook. If you want to see what's under the guided notebook, if you just buy the access key, you can download and print, the guided notebook from here. We have a PDFs and we have a Word documents. Okay. Quizzes, as I told you. You see, this is where you begin with the interactive assignment, just to show you the quizzes here. You see, there's a chapter 1 quiz which is going to be due on 1/16/2017 at 11:59 p.m., etc. So make sure to get the quiz done by the due date. You usually get 3 attempts on each quiz, but unlimited attempts on the homework. Now let me show you the next navigation button here from the navigation menu, interactive eText. The interactive eText is the same thing as the interactive assignments, but it doesn't have any of the graded components, so it doesn't have the built-in homework or anything that is graded. So after the due date, if you want to go back to chapter 1 and read a little bit more about it, I keep it available the entire semester, so you can go to the interactive eText and view chapter 1 from there, but you won't be able to do any homework that is already past due. Tools for success. We'll be using the tables and formulas here, but mainly you'll be using the calculator. There will be some applets that will be very useful to help you learn the course material. StatCrunch, it's a software that I will be communicating with you about it. It's very easy to use. I think you'll like using this software. And there are some nice videos, for most of the chapters done by a statistician. It's nice when you have time, to try to view those videos. He demonstrates the use of statistics in every in our real life. So he demonstrates real life situations in those videos. So please spare some time, just to check those videos out. There is a technology manual for the calculator, but I will provide material to assist you with the use of the calculator. And actually, my materials are in the form of videos. So I provide short videos and show you how to use the calculator in each chapter. We will not be using the calculator in chapters 1 and 2, so you don't have to worry about it right away. StatCrunch, when you click on this one, you will have access to StatCrunch, but you're going to notice in almost every single homework problem you try to do, you will have access, to StatCrunch. So it's a web-based software that we'll be using later in the course. Gradebook, this is where you can keep track of your grades. I will populate the gradebook on a regular basis. Actually, this is done automatically. When you do a homework, you can see your grade right away in the gradebook. But when you take a test or when you do the discussion board, I would have to grade, those manually, and I will update, the gradebook with your scores as soon as I am done grading. Let's see what else we have here. So this is StatCrunch. So you just click here and then you can go to StatCrunch website. This is the gradebook. Okay. This is the test 1 study guide, just to show you how it's going to look like. You see, these are the questions and I provide the answers in a video format. I strongly recommend to students to view my study guides, because they will have a very good idea in what I require, and how do I like, just what do I like students to do when answering the questions, and in particular when answering, essay questions for which, they have to show work. So it would be very useful, very helpful to you if you spare time to view the study guides. This is about it. So again, make sure guys that you click on course information right away and check out the course syllabus, the core course objectives, the course due dates, and in particular the syllabus. I would like you know to know exactly what's required of you in this class and how you're gonna be graded. Okay? Have fun, enjoy your experience in this class.